Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Bigtime wallet address on Binance. As you know, Bigtime just got listed on Binance and this is the charge. If you want to transfer your Bigtime from another wallet to Binance account, you can just simply follow this tutorial. First, you can open your Binance apps and go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is deposit option. You can click it. And then now you can search Bigtime and this one you can click it. And then you can choose the network, which is Ethereum. You can click it. And this is your Bigtime wallet address. You can copy it or scan it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.